Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a simple and easy YouTube intro for free using Canva. I know you've been wanting to enhance your channel, so here's your chance. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Once you've downloaded Canva, you're going to type in the search bar YouTube channel art. I already had it in, but I'm going to show you how to do it. So once that pops up, you're going to click the gray create a blank YouTube banner and we're going to get started. Okay, so the first step you want to do is click on text and you're going to add your YouTube channel name, but we're going to change the font to Hatton. That's Hatton. And for this, we're just typing Queen Naija in all caps. Once you have it the way you like it, you're going to center it. Centering is a big part of this video. Make sure that everything is aligned. So once you have it centered, you're going to duplicate it. Basically, just click those two papers. One has a plus sign in it. But we're going to change the second duplicate font to Brittany. Brittany, like the name, yes. And then we're going to, I'm rewriting the name because when I duplicated it didn't work. But we're just going to write Queen Naija again. Not in all caps because it didn't look right. We're only capping the first and last letter. Once you have that, you're just going to play around with it until you have it the way you want. I do want the Brittany font to be a little bit bigger than the Hatton font. So make sure that is like that, and also make sure that it's kind of overlaying the top Queen Naija word. While I'm doing this, another thing I want to go over is Canva is free. It may ask you to pay, but if this is your first time using Canva, it will give you 30 days free. So now that I have it centered to the way that I want, we're going to hit the three dots and go into effects. We're going to choose neon. And at this moment, I did not like the color of the wording, so I went into colors and I was looking for a more melanin tone color. So here you'll just see me playing around with the colors, and I originally liked this blue color, but with the pictures that I'm uploading, it just would not go right. So I ended up changing the color again. There's going to be a lot of adjusting in this video, just adjusting to your liking. So I just ended up going with a more like tanner color, not too dark, not too light. Okay, so once you have it to your liking, you're going to hit the three dots and hit animate. So with the colored Queen Naija, I kind of wanted to have an animation, so what I chose was merge. And you could, choose and pick which ones. I was just trying to see which ones I would want, but I ended up going with merge. Once that is done, we're going to take another photo and go into Magic Eraser. Magic Eraser is another app that's free. So I got another photo and we're just going to hit erase. It will do it for you, but if there's something that you want in the photo, just restore it like I did her purse, and then your background will be gone. And I love this app, so make sure you guys get Magic Eraser if you don't want a background in your photo. Once you're done with that step, you're going to go back into Canva, go to uploads, upload file, and you're going to import that photo without the background. Once you do that, just insert it, and you're just going to adjust it to where the photo is in frame. Once you do that, again, adjusting is a big part in this video. But once you do that, you're going to click the three dots and hit position. I'm a little ahead of myself. Hit position and hit forward, and it'll bring her forward. It'll push the words to the back. So once I did that, I did want the picture to have animation. So you're going to hit the three dots, hit animate, and choose which animation you want. In this case, I chose one of the new ones that was featured, and that one was sketch. In this video, once you make a change, you always want to make sure that you like it. So what you're going to do is hit the play button and just see that what your change was something that you wanted, and you want to see how it looks after. So I was just playing around with each of the new features that once I did this video, they weren't there, but now they're there. So we're going to play it back and see how it looks. Okay, so we're finished with this part. You can leave it like this or you could change it, but for now we're going to leave it like this. We added another page, and on this page we're going to add 3 of the same pictures. You can do different pictures, but for this video I'm doing 3 of the same pictures, and make sure that they're all the same size. So it's a little bit of adjusting, duplicating, so once you get that, then we'll be ready for the next step. Once that step is done, you're going to go into elements and type in square, and we're just going to click this aqua blue square and make sure that it is covering the whole photo. But before you do that, you can change the color. I went with this first brownish color that I already picked out. Again, make sure it's covering the whole photo. We're gonna hit the 3 dots and hit the specklies, like the dotted photo, and change the transparency to 65. Once that is done, you're going to go back into text. We're going to use font Hatton, the one we used previously, and in this text you're just going to put what your channel is about. So I just did lifestyle, beauty, and vlogs, but whatever your channel is about, that's what you're going to add. Make sure that it is not overlapping and that it is in a straight line, and make sure it's not too big and not too small. Once you have it centered and in the middle, I just went in and changed the color. You don't have to change the color, but I just think the black didn't really fit. So go to the 3 dots, hit the A where the colors are, and I wanted more of like a melanin tannish color, so that's what I went with. And you'll see me here just playing around with the colors to get to the one that I want. Again, a lot of adjusting in this video. Then you're gonna hit the 3 dots again and hit pop, and we're just going to neon it, and that's just gonna give it a glow. So once that is done, I'm just going to do an animation on the lifestyle beauty vlog title, and I think I just went with neon the first time. I was adjusting it, but at the end I did go with neon. Once you have that adjusted, again, the most important part is looking back at what you just changed. So that is what we're doing here. And I love it so far, so let's continue. We are on our 3rd and last page. So this is a page where we're going to tell and let people know where to follow Queen Naija. I think she's most known and popular on Instagram, of course YouTube, but this is YouTube channel, so I just put I took a screenshot of her Instagram pictures and I'm going to fill that up. And with this little change, I am going to look at it and just see how it looks. Once it's to your liking, we're going to go ahead and go into Elements, and you're going to type in iPhone. I suggest you pick an iPhone that has a see-through screen and not a white screen. I feel like the white screen is more harder to edit when it comes to adding a photo or a video. Once you have the iPhone template, you're just going to adjust it. I like it a little longer and kind of cutting off at the top. You don't want it too wide because then it's not going to look like an iPhone, but just make sure it looks kind of something like this and tilt it. Tilting it is key. Okay, so once that's done, you're going to go into uploads and take the screen recorded video. In this case, I screen recorded her Instagram. You can screen record any social media that you want people to follow you on. Make sure that it's centered and it's in tune with the iPhone template. Make sure that the crop picture is not like too like outside of the iPhone template because you will see it, but you just want to make sure that it looks like you're looking at an iPhone, like for real. And once you do that, the most important part is looking back at what you changed and to see if you like it. Once you're done with that step, we're going to go back into text and we're using that font Hatton again. And we're going to write connect with me in all caps. Make sure that the connect is on top and that you either space it or, put the with me at the bottom. Sometimes when you hit space or return, it'll put some of the letters at the bottom. That's what I'm talking about. So once you do that, you're just going to make it a little bit smaller, and I'm changing the color because you cannot see it when it's black. So I'm going to put the color, first we're going to do effects, and then we're going to echo it. And then we're going to change the color. And I'm kind of going towards the colors that's in the video. And I did change the color right there as well. And again, we're just going to look at what we changed. Again, this is like an important step to see how your video comes out. Once you have it to your liking, we're going to go into elements and search circle. And we're going to pick the first black circle picture. We are going to change the color of the circle. So just add it and size it a little smaller and change the color. Again, we're doing the colors that we use in the previous post. Once that is done, we're going to go back into elements and search tab. And again, we're going for a tan, melanin, glowy type of situation here. So I just picked one. And we're just going to align it with the circle. And we're going to hit the 3 dots, position it backwards so that the circle is on top. And we're just going to adjust the circle and the tab to your liking. And then we're going back into elements. We're going to type Instagram icon or Instagram logo. I pick the very first one, and we are going to insert it in that circle. I am going to leave it like this. I'm not going to change the color. And then you want to add in your Instagram handle, or if you put TikTok, you're going to put your TikTok @ name. One thing I didn't do was put the @ sign, which is okay. I mean, we all know when you type in Instagram, it's going to come up with or without the @ sign. I did change the font. I had it on Hatton at first, but I didn't like it like that, so I changed it to Alice, as you can see here. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. We're going to look over the whole thing. I did do some adjustments. I will show you guys that video at the very end. But once you like your creation that you just did, because yeah, you did that, we're going to go and save it. So you're going to hit the arrow up, and you're going to hit save as, and then you are going to put it as an MP4 video, and you're going to click download. Once it's downloaded, you are just going to save it to your photos, and that option will pop up now. So here is another version that I did. I just changed the beginning a little. Let me know which one you like, the beginning or this one. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoy, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.